Infrastructure is needed to supply citizens, communities, businesses, and industries with the potable water, as well as to collect, treat, and discharge wastewater to manage stormwater runoff and to prevent the flooding. The water industry is extremely capital intensive and highly regulated with the varying water quality standards. Maintaining affordable rates is an ever pressing challenge for the service providers, particularly as regulatory burdens, operational costs, and the customer expectation continue to rise. With around next 10 to 15 years, 35% of the Australian water industry's workforce will be retiring. Meanwhile, industry technologies spread throughout the sector are searching for the new digital skills that will be needed in order to counter this. The industry is aware of the existing state of the infrastructure, the rate at which the things are deteriorating, and the shortage of resources. The use of technology is the only thing that can bring the change. Operational efficiency is always the utmost importance in the treatment facility, and this has driven innovation in the sector for quite some time. Recently, great advances has been made in the development of efficient technologies, but challenges still remains. That is why, in my opinion, we require technology, machine learning, and artificial intelligence in order to collect all the data, optimize your spending, and direct it into the areas of infrastructure that most urgently requires it. One of the biggest costs associated with the running of wastewater treatment facilities is the energy usage. According to the estimate, the treatment of wastewater uses between around 2 to 3% of the electrical power used in the affluent countries. The biological treatment process typically accounts for the half of the plant energy usage in the treatment of municipal wastewater. Inclusive and sustainable industrialization, together with the innovation in the infrastructure, can unleash a dynamic and competitive economic forces that generate employment and income. They play a key role in introducing and promoting new technologies, facilitating international trade, and enabling the efficient use of resources. On the other hand, innovation and industrialization are the heart of the social and economical development. Goal 9 aims to bring the sustainable and inclusive solution together to develop quality, reliable, sustainable, and resilient infrastructure by updating increasing resources use efficiency, and adopting clean and environment-friendly technologies. The ultimate aim of the SDG 9 is to provide clean water for smaller scale businesses in rural and urban areas, also reducing the material ecological footprints and adding values to the waste. Rapid climate change is closely related to the wastewater. By regulating and advancing the use of renewable energies, SDG 13 seeks to lessen the effect of climate change. To lessen the effect of climate change, the wastewater treatment capacity might be enhanced, especially in the developed nation. Chemically treated water that has a pollutant and chemically removed from it can be subsequently be used to create electricity, reducing the need for the surface and groundwater resources. Reducing the amount of untreated wastewater that contains sewage litter and other sewage particles that can harm the environment is one of the objectives of the policies related to the wastewater, and hence it is linked to the SDGs.